China, it's back with again another AI movement, and this time it's bigger than DeepSeek. Think of it like using Perplexity DeepResearch or the ChatGPT DeepResearch all along, combined with the lovable the depth, combined with the Cloud Sonnet, combined with the ChatGPT operator, which costs you around $200, all into one tool combined, and these are all working for you. And this is what Manus AI is all about. You can analyze stocks with it, you can create educational videos, courses with it, you can create a mini games, teleprompter, or even you can edit your podcast audio with it, and many more. So let's deep dive into the Manus AI's website and see what are its capabilities. And this is the Manus website, and we see it's the introduction video which went viral in within 2 days of its publish. And we see the use case gallery. See, it has research, life, data analysis, education, productivity, and WTF. Let's see what's in WTF. See, you can create custom mini games tailored to our preferences. Experience our signature Zelensky White House debate simulator. The professional teleprompter which I told you. Now let's try the teleprompter. Whether it's loading. Okay, it's loading. Okay, now see, it has already written the prompt. It's not available publicly, so it has only the videos of it performing the task. See, it's doing all of this. I haven't done anything. I've just, for example, written the prompt, and it's using all of this, and it's completed the task here. Now here we are going to use the teleprompter. See, it has made the teleprompter and I have done nothing, just written a prompt. Now you can adjust the speed here, you can reset, you can start scrolling, and it started. Like, it has done all the things you need for a teleprompter, built-in teleprompter using AI. Now let's see the another use case. See, I told you about the audio editing in the podcast, so it can transform your audio content with expertly curated 2-minute highlight reels. It can sound design, it can create business card and more. Let's see the featured one. See, you can create the itinerary, what you want. You can analyze the Tesla stocks here, which I told you. Now I'm a keen interest in stocks, so let's see how it analyzes it. See, nothing, it's just doing all the work on its own. It's executing the command, it has the built-in command prompt, PowerShell or what you were say. It is doing all the things all its alone. See, it's using the market sentiment analysis for Tesla. See, it's using the graphs here to analyze. See, it's using the prompt automatically because it's a recorded session, it's not available publicly, I told you. See, from here I'm going to open it and see the Tesla stock analysis dashboard is ready. The price, the 52-week range, growth, selective value, financial performance, all of that 2019, 2028, 21, 22, 23. The bull case, bear case. If you know about the stocks, you will understand these. The technical analysis is here. The market position, how much market share which has. See the strength, weakness, upper, all it has done all with just a prompt. Now, see, you can get the list of IC companies. It can do literally the lead generation, which takes hours, or even we have to hire people to do this. But it will go to YC site, it will scrape all the data of the B2B companies and it will present you. You are just sitting, sipping your coffee, and the lead gen is doing that work. You are getting your lead generation, you are getting the companies whom you are their potential clients. This has completed all this. YC W25 B2B companies. The company name, location, description, category, all is there. See, now it would take around 1 to 2 days for us man to sit and scrape all the companies. See, that's amazing. Like, let's see the more use cases. It can schedule interviews for you if you are the HR department, or you can find the potential customers. Teleprompter we have all guide, B2B supplier sourcing, research on AI products. Like we have seen, you want to find the winning product on dropshipping. Manus can help you here. And in life, you can do the itinerary, data analysis, their number of patients in the region, family shape, and all. So, Manus is changing the world of AI, but when it will be there to use to everyone in public, it will create a huge impact because you don't have to shuffle between the other AI agents, Claude, Operator, Perplexity, and all. You have to just go to Manus, get the prompt, done. You can create websites and all things because here is lovable. It has the Claude unit for research, Perplexity DeepResearch, Operator of the ChatGPT, which costs you $200 per month. So Manus is going to change the AI when it will be publicly available. Tell me in the comments how are you excited about the Manus AI when it will be public, and hit the subscribe button and the like and share it with someone who needs it. Bye.